feet to smoke.
Did you smoke in an elevator?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can go to the zoo and smoke. You go to the hospital. You go to the hospital.
In the hospital?
Yeah. Yeah.
Wow. What a time to be